Hi everybody, welcome back. So I've decided to do some glitter encapsulated unicorn nails. So what I decided to do is go in with a base gel. Already prepped and buffed the tips there. Going with a base gel just to make sure that this does all adhere to the tips themselves. I go through that on all of the nails and then I pop them in the lamp for the recommended cure time. Okay, once I've done that on all of the nail tips, I then go in with the Cool One Step Gel. By Bling Line, I apply a very thin layer to all of the nail tips, and then I don't cure this layer. Do not cure it. So on all the tips I'll do this, and then I won't cure it, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so then what I start doing is picking up the glitters that I want to pop onto the tip. I've used a mixture of 3 different colours here, 3 or 4 different colours. I just dampened my brush with a very small amount of the Cool One Step gel, and then I get the glitter and start dragging it through the gel, uncured gel that's already on the tip to where I want it. Any excess I just dab it off onto a lint-free pad which has been soaked in isopropyl alcohol, and then go in and pick the next bit up. So just placing it on, it's quite random, it's not a precise art, this one, just to make sure that I've got some nice blend where the 2 colours join. I tend to sort of try and brush them into each other to blend those in, and then I keep doing that on all the nails. So once I have done that with all of the nails, applied the glitter where I wanted it, I then pop the tips into the lamp for the full cure time of that gel, and then I dust off any excess, and then what I do is I go in with the cool One Step gel again. I really like this one because it's got self-leveling properties, makes life a lot easier, and then I go over it with that gel again to encapsulate it, making sure that all of the glitter is covered and there's no bits poking through. Okay, so once these have all been encapsulated, I've then filed and perfected the shape and surface off camera, because as you're all aware if you've watched my previous videos, unfortunately my little stands, nothing seems to hold the nails on them well enough for me to show you a filing routine yet, but I will get a model in soon, I promise. So what I've done, filed them, buffed them all into shape, make sure they're clean, and then I have proceeded to give them a top coat of a no wipe top coat, clear top coat. And then following on from this, my lovelies, there will be the finished results. Thanks everybody for watching.